Last but not least is the large 467-piece household mechanics kit listed under a few seller names like Topline or marketplaces. This one is aimed at people who want the broadest coverage possible without stepping into industrial tool chest prices. The kit typically advertises dozens of sockets, deep and shallow, a full set of combination wrenches, plier sets, hammers, an 80-piece bit set, tape measure, and a very large assortment of hardware, nuts, bolts, anchors. Sellers position it as for mechanics and household maintenance, which is accurate. If your projects jump between lawn equipment, bicycles, cars, and house repairs, the larger piece count means you're more likely to have the right bit or socket in the moment. Customers who buy the 467-piece kit like to brag about how they never run out of options. That cross-compatibility is the main selling point. However, packing so many pieces into a single kit introduces trade-offs. Cases can be bulkier, sometimes a large tool bag instead of mold plastic, and while coverage is excellent, individual tool quality is uneven. Some sockets, extensions, or screwdriver bits can be hit or miss. The general consensus from reviews across retailers is consistent. Phenomenal value for the piece count and breadth, but don't expect it to replace a professional set for high-stress daily mechanic work. Pros: ridiculous coverage, great for multitask households and hobbyists. Cons: variable quality across individual pieces, heavier case or bag. If you want the I-have-it-all comfort and aren't a full-time mechanic, this kit is a strong choice. We share by links in the description box.